Creating a survey on Qualtrics involves setting up and customizing your survey to collect valuable data. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log into Qualtrics. Visit Qualtrics and log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account, sign up for a trial or purchase a plan. Create a new survey. From the dashboard, click Create New Project and select Survey. Choose a blank survey or a template from the options provided. Click Create Project to proceed. Design your survey. Use the survey editor to add questions. Click Create a new question and choose from various question types. Enter your question text and configure answer options. Set up survey logic. Implement logic to guide respondents based on their answers. Click on Survey Flow and add branch or embedded data to create custom paths or conditions for your survey. Customize design. Personalize your survey's appearance by clicking on Look and Feel. Adjust themes, fonts, and colors to match your branding. Configure survey settings. Set survey options under Survey Options, such as response collection, access controls, and survey expiration. Preview and test. Click Preview to test your survey and ensure it functions correctly. Make any necessary adjustments based on feedback. Distribute your survey. Once satisfied, click Publish to get the shareable link or embed code. You can distribute the survey via email, social media, or embed it on your website.